Fine.
So success is knowing your purpose in life, growing to reach your maximum potential and sowing seeds that benefits others. So I'm welcoming over here Dr. Sharda Ramesh, Director and Professor, Symbiosis College of Nursing, Symbiosis International University, Pune, Maharashtra. Welcome, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah,
How are you?
yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. I'm fine. Thank you very much. Thank you. So, Center for Continuing Nursing
Yeah.
Excellence is organizing All India Nursing Article Writing Competition, and CCNE is a platform that provides innovative products based on the integration of academics, life skills, and exposure to the nursing science. So, my first question is, being an advisory board member, why this kind of activity is important for the nursing fraternity? Yeah,
Can you shoot the question again? There was some net connectivity issue. Can you please shoot the question again?
yeah. Okay, so my question was, being an advisory board member, why this kind of activity is important for the nursing fraternity? Yeah,
Yes. I first of all let me congratulate CCNE, all the organizers for bringing up such a wonderful program. Write an article, publish it. You are handholding the publication as well as giving a prize, which in itself is a jackpot for the nursing fraternity, so to say. Why? Because the trends in nursing research and the trends for 2020 post the pandemic of COVID 19 request nurses to be having the higher education, that is your PhD in nursing. There will be a huge demand for PhD nursing across the globe. I'm not saying that, the researchers say that. So, if you have to have a PhD in nursing, that means the platform is open for almost all the nurses who are studying right now the GNM, who are going to join the nursing. All these people will have a huge platform on doing the highest education, say about round about 10 years down the lane. You will be getting the PhD. So, in such a case, if you are getting a highest degree in nursing PhD, then publication is a mandate. The nurses are supposed to do their own research, do their publication. If you need to do a publication in a, really a good or at least a moderate, a mediocre journal, then what is that is needed for the nursing fraternity? With my experience, what I say, I am, though I'm not, I don't claim myself that I have very good English, but however, many a times we have an eclectic group where the nursing fraternity suffers in their language and the communication skills. They are very good in their otherwise the skill in patient care. But why is that they cannot market it, project it through the communication?
yeah,
That is why these nurses find it very difficult even for the IELTS to clear. So that means there should be a hand holding, a huge hand holding in publishing their articles so that they attain down the lane another 10 years they should be attaining their highest degree, that is the PhD. So I would say that CCNE has brought in a very very sound platform of doing both and also giving them an incentive and a very very positive motivation, that is a prize and a jackpot. Anyone would love to have a prize. I am also like that. If you give me a prize, everyone will like it. And this will definitely attract a huge nursing fraternity to this platform. I should again congratulate the CCNE as an advisory board. I am really proud to be here on this platform. Yes, you can go ahead, Karuna.
yeah. Okay, so my next question is, how can students, academicians, professionals take the advantage of CCN?
How can the students, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, how can students, academicians, professionals take the advantage of CCNE?
Yeah. Students can definitely look forward because now that we are floating it across the colleges and across academia and even to the hospitals, I myself have floated this, whatever the CCNE's good work. Now the nursing students can work hand in hand with their own faculty because every student will have their own tutors, their own mentors, their own counselors. So the students can reach out for this academic help from their teachers, from their mentors, from their tutors. That the students get a very good platform of writing skills. Also, the faculty in turn, like it is a win-win situation for both the faculty and the students. They both can write and they both can understand what it is about publishing an article because very recently also I have taken a session. I was invited as a resource to teach about the publications. So all the students felt that it was very informative, very because they didn't know what is a impact factor, what is a journal, what is a scopus, what is a peer review. So in such a case,
Yes.
CCNE will definitely throw a very good light on this platform, thereby motivating them to become part and parcel of writing. That is what it's an art, and they will learn it uh, by the time they finish this competition.
Yeah.
Whether they win or not, it is secondary, but at least they will succeed in learning the writing skills.
Yeah.
What I
Exactly.
feel, what I personally.
Absolutely. See, learning is very important. See, pass and fail, yeah, yeah, winner and loser is the another thing, but learning is very, very important. Yeah. Okay. So, my next question is, what is the current
Right, right.
requirement for students and professionals to go forward in nursing domain?
Actually, the current requirement, if you look at the international ones, the students should be, they don't recruit anything less than a baccalaureate program.
Yeah.
And if it is post graduation, they need specialty experience in the hospitals. Actually, the direct patient care is, if you are looking at doing a direct patient care provider, then the person needs to be a baccalaureate program. So that will be a current requirement. And every hospital, and today the international forum is very, very strong. And there's a huge demand even in Europe countries, which was having an iron door earlier, like Germany, all the European countries like Germany, SEC, all these people have France, all these people earlier were not taking nurses from India. But today, the market is very, very sound in the European countries.
Yeah.
In such a case, the student should be a baccalaureate or a postgraduate. If you are looking for an academia to go as an tutor or a lecturer in a college of nursing, then the student should definitely have a PhD, or the nurse should have a registered nurse should have a PhD in nursing. Otherwise, there is no recruitment for us. And of course, the IELTS band, nothing less than 7 they accept in all the parameters of IELTS. In such a case, the huge demand on the language is what is posing a big challenge today for the students and faculty as well. Even the trained faculty who are very good in their skills, who have a very good teaching ability, because of their skill in communicative skill in English, they have lot of issues. So this would be the current requirement. So there are two C's that is very, very important. One is communicative skills, whether it be reading or writing or even talking, speaking. So all these communicative things. The other one is, of course, the competence. Without a competence, a nurse will be never recruited for any place. So if you call yourself as a registered nurse, then these two C's are like your two eyes. You have to carry it along with us. And of course, the CCNE is a 3C, and it will definitely bring in the again these two eyes of writing skill. The CCNE is bringing will definitely be a very good platform, I would say. So I would say the communication and competence or nursing excellence is this journal that it is right now motivating. Let me put my own metaphor to it.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. So, uh, if I talk about research, so how research and research-based publication in nursing domain can be improved using CCNE-like platforms.
Yeah, currently nursing students are doing a lot of projects. I wouldn't say that we are in dearth of it. We have huge, because the requirements and with the current syllabus, they are going to do a lot of project works, of course, and the hospitals are also looking for good, research work. But the problem comes, as I told you earlier, in the dissemination of this knowledge. So now dissemination, why everyone is so ice cold about this? Because students and the faculty feel that their communicative ability seems to be little lower when compared. Actually, it is not so. Nurses, when they can learn the skill of injection technique from the first year itself, and that means they are absolutely confident and competent. So only it's the unknown fear to swim in unknown waters, I would say, nurses. So while platform like CCNE, the competitions will kindle this fear into a competence. It will metamorphosis the fear to a better competence. So such platforms of having a good research work and do the publishing will get motivated automatically. This kindling of interest will go a long way, and after some time you take off your wings and you start flying. It's just a starting problem for the nursing fraternity. I feel very few of them who have a very huge difficulty in writing. So once this starting problem is overcome by a positive motivation, where the CCNE is telling, we will handhold you for your dissemination. We will also give you prices. We will give you a competitive base. You will know where you are. So this kind of a hand holding and giving price is like a very loving mother, I would say, to enhance such a skill in the students and nurses. So I don't think any international journals also do this. There are a lot of competitions on writing articles, but how many of them are hand holding to write and how many are giving prizes? Either you get first, second, third prize. Even in the college, that's what we do. The best research paper, one only will get the prize, others will not get. So here the platform is very big and experts are there to evaluate it. Naturally, the student and the faculty or the nursing fraternity will definitely benefit a lot. I only wish that all the nurses do participate without feeling, bad or inhibition. They should bring in a lot of things to the platform so that they know where they stand. See, it's always a self evaluation. Nobody will come and tell us, even I started it like that. Nobody will come and tell where you are. It is we have to evaluate ourselves, whether winning or losing. We have to just trash it across, and that courage is what is requested with the nursing fraternity. I request all the nursing fraternity to boldly come into it. Nobody is going to criticize what you are writing and how you are writing. Nobody will criticize. In fact, they will be doing a lot of hand holding to improve your material so
Yeah,
that you gain a lot of confidence in
exactly.
writing material, and you will have a global forum. Once it gets published, it will be like delivering your first child, and you will be very very happy as a mother of that article. And I'm sure, I bet that nursing fraternity, those who are really having the first time coming into this forum, writing skill and the competition, who are, I would say, they are very very high risk takers, and they will definitely benefit with this kind of a platform. And so that's what I would say, that this opportunity is going to knock their very many vistas and the domains that they already have inbuilt. It's only that it is unknown. They have not done it. It is, I don't know how many of you know about Hinduism. We have Lord Jai Hanuman. Hanuman's strength he never knew. It was the others who told him, even leave alone that this thing. The lamp that you light every day in the house, Hindus do light a lamp every day. So the lamp also needs a small matchstick to bring out the wick out of it. If you don't bring out that wick out of it, the lamp will die on its own. How much ever oil, how
Absolutely.
much ever long you put a wick. So this is what is the small stick is what CCNE is doing right now, the small stick of kindling things. So I compare this competition to a small stick, what we use to light a lamp, which will glow every day. Dear nursing fraternity, you are a lamp in the healthcare industry, and we are doing our own small bit in the CCNE to bring out the glow out of this light. You will shine, shine, shine ever.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You have really, really said very, very beautiful words. Seriously. And if I talk about, that the comparison, this competition with that light lamp, right? So it's really, really beautiful, and it's really, appreciable actually. So first of all, thank you very much, thank you for your support, thanks for your time, and thanks for everything. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you, everyone at CCNE. We wish all the good luck, and I'm sure this competition is going to rock.
Oh,
Let's keep
thank you.
rocking for the sake of nursing fraternity. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.